This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do Kucoin Kyc, easy method. Begin by gathering your government ID and a clear selfie so you can complete the steps without delays. Open the Kucoin app, go to Account Security, then choose Identity Verification. Follow prompts carefully, enter accurate details, and upload high-quality photos for faster approval and fewer rejections. Start by logging into Kucoin and accessing the Identity Verification section in Account Security. Select Personal KYC, type your legal name, and confirm your address exactly as shown on your ID. Upload high-resolution images of the ID front and back, then take a selfie while matching the on-screen pose to avoid delays during automated checks and manual review. If your verification is delayed, first check image clarity and that names exactly match your ID. Retake photos in bright, even light and avoid filters or edits that obscure details. If uploads still fail, gather your submission ID and contact Kucoin support for guidance while being ready to provide requested clarification or additional documentation to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.